Hey, home improvement bitches. Lowest of the most. Back at it again. I'm going to try for part 2 on this laundry center revamp. Alright, I know that Chris had mentioned that I should probably get a router and a router table. I don't have that quite yet, so I'm just going to make do with what I got. And what I got is a table saw, some cuts, a guide, and a little bit of luck. Alright kids, well, I didn't do too bad. So I used my pocket hole, a drill bit, or drill whatever the hell that thing is, a jig. And then I matched it up with that. And I think you're gonna be alright. Check that out. So I think I should just keep going. Okay, y'all, I kept digging. I got a nice little tray here. I'm gonna do one last test fit. Like a glove, hot damn. My plan worked. And now all I have to do is repeat it. I need 2 shelves, just like that. So, more from me later. Well, hot damn, y'all. It took me longer than I expected, but got the job done. And definitely the overused scene at the end of the day, that's all that matters. Okay, y'all, it is all done, and I am super proud of what I did. All right, so please bear in mind that the concrete down here is not level. So I just made this location specific because I don't want it to wobble, but I also want to give it at least somewhat of an impression that it's level. But deuces for now. Be good like you should, and if you can't be good at what you do.